Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to spend time with you guys today because I haven't been in touch with you guys for quite a while, just because I have been really concentrating on my well-being. Like I said from my last video, I am just, in the process of healing, and I've already started my radiation. It's okay. I really hope that it doesn't affect me as much and doesn't hurt my skin. Really hoping that the time will just fly. Anyways, I am so excited to do the video, so let's go ahead and just dive in.
Back of my mind, streak of black, left alone. Hold through the day, just one breath and fade away.
Alright, so to begin with, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Stay Matte Rimmel, and it's a Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer setting spray. So I'm gonna do that. So now that I've already set my face, I'm going to use my Morphe F330. And I think this is the closest color at this time. I don't know, for some reason my face changed color a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it over here. There you go. I hope I don't put it on my shirt. Woo! We'll just add it up later if you want some more. And then of course with our trusted beauty blender, we're gonna go ahead and just blend it. Alright, so now that we are done with the foundation, we're gonna go ahead and go to the concealer. Okay, so now that we are done with the concealer, I'm using Airspun loose powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and just set my under eye. I hope I got enough rest so that you can really conceal it, because I don't get enough sleep recently. I'm not good at sleeping at night. And I'm a little under the weather as well. But I'm definitely fine. I'm trying to be healthy as much as possible. So now that we are done setting our under eye and of course our foundation and concealer, we're gonna move into the eyes. Alright, so for today's video, I am going to use Phase One Cosmetics. And if you have not heard of Phase One Cosmetics, this is the product that I got from 99-cent store. So if you guys got 99-cent store around you guys, and if they have this product, go ahead and grab it, because I mean, some of the eyeshadow, which is the ones over here on top, not this one, these ones are like blush, but some of them are very pigmented. Like this one is super pigmented. I like this one and that one as well. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and dab into this color over here. And then we're just going to go ahead and put it on top of our crease. And by the way, I am using my Morphe E17 brush, and this is how it looks like. It's a fluffy one. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and grab this color over here from the bottom. So this is the one we got first, and this is the second one we're doing. Alright, so we are done with the second color. We're moving on to the third color, which is this color over here. Okay. And we're just gonna go ahead and use our Morphe 507. It's a thin brush. Okay, and then we're just gonna put it over here in the corner. Alright, so I'm done with that, and we're just gonna go ahead and add some shimmer to it. And I really wanted to use my fingers, but I got really long nails. I don't like to do that. So I'm going to use this tiny brush over here. See that? Ta-da. And we are going to touch base with this color over here, Paradise, and I'm using Summer in Saint Tropez, which is from BH Cosmetics. And we're using Paradise, this color right here. I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner. Oh, okay. So now that we're done with the upper eye, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Morphe M321, and this is how it looks like. And I am still with my BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint Tropez, and we are going to hit Nightlife, which is this color over here, and it's like a very kind of like purple pink. How do you say that color? But there you go, and you just dip it in that color, okay, and then make sure that there's a lot of fall offs for this color, and then we're just gonna put it over here at the very end. Okay, so once you do it, you just have to bring it up over there. And then with that, I am going to grab the Marina color over here, which if you watch my video, I normally will put it in my inner corner over there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here and blend it with the Nightlife. And of course, we can indulge ourselves in putting some on our inner corner over here. There you go. And then touch base again with your Morphe M32 and kind of blend it together. And since I don't have lashes on the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a black eyeliner on my waterline. Alright, so I am done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be back. Alright, so I was able to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and you know I always like cat eye, just because I don't have any like serious lashes on top yet. I can see there's like little like black dots that's coming out, so I'm hoping that my eyelashes are coming back, but even if it comes back, it's really thin anyway, so it's not gonna matter. So now that we are done with the eyeliner, I'm going to go to contouring my face, and I'm going to use this Smashbox Holidays, and this is what I'm using. Almost done. The thing is, I am not going to kind of like buy more of the same products unless I finish it, or unless I want to try something else. But I'm pretty cool with this palette, this contour palette. So because I don't have hair, you have to contour your forehead. Seriously. There you go. And then of course over here, make your neck kind of thinner. And of course, don't forget your nose. I'm not a contour nose type of person, but I really want to get into it too. See what it can do. I mean, when you contour your nose, of course, it highlights that, you know, you have a nose. Especially in like the cameras or like the video, it's quite different. See that? It's a little different. Okay. All right, and after that, I'm going to get my blush brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to use the True Complexion Contour Palette, light to medium, and I'm going to use the Sculpt. Okay, so we are down to our lippy right now, and I am using the LA Girl lip liner. I always use this lip liner for some reason. It's GP512, and this is the color. Okay, so for our lippy, we are going to use the Essence Ultra Last number 4, and I think it's called Mauved In, and this is the color. All right, so it's a very, very light color, but I still wanted a little shimmer on it, so I am going to my Summer in Saint Tropez, which is the BH Cosmetics, and I'm dipping my finger to the Marina and just put it like that. And before anything else, I wanted to go ahead and put some highlight on our cheekbones, so I'm dipping with Marina and then just kind of putting it over here. And over there. All right. And of course, last but not the least, I am going to do my lashes off camera. All right, so we have completed the look for today. What do you guys think of the colors that I used today and the palettes that I used today? Please do sound your thoughts and comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Just hit that subscribe button and of course the bell so you'll be notified when new videos come in. I really enjoyed my time with you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Back of my mind, streak of black left alone.